Every conversation with Aisha ended in 10 seconds. On Monday, Kabir asked, "How was your weekend?" "Good," she replied. Then silence filled the office pantry. One better reply could have saved it. "Good. I visited my sister. How was yours?" But Aisha would discover that only later. Kabir smiled politely and turned back to his coffee. Aisha wondered, why does nobody continue talking to me? Her emails were clear, and her work reports were excellent. But when friendly conversation began, her answers became tiny. "Lunch," Sana asked. "Do you like Bengaluru?" "Yes," Aisha answered, and looked down at her plate. The others kept talking while she slowly disappeared from the moment. At home, Aisha replayed every question in her head. Her answers were correct, but each one closed the door. That evening, her friend Ria called. Aisha admitted, "People ask me something, I answer, and then everything stops." Ria asked, "What do you give them after your answer?" "Nothing," Aisha said. The problem suddenly became visible. Ria smiled. "You don't need difficult English. Give them a bridge." She called the method answer, add, ask. Answer, respond directly to the question. Add, share one small, related detail. Ask, return one easy question to the other person. They practiced Kabir's question, "How was your weekend?" Answer, "It was good." Add, "I visited my sister, and we cooked dinner together." Ask, "How was your weekend?" Suddenly, the conversation had somewhere to go. Ria tried another question. "Where are you from?" Aisha answered, "I'm from Mysuru." Then she added, "I moved here last month for this job." Finally, she asked, "Have you ever visited Mysuru?" "Perfect," Ria said. "Now listen and follow their answer." She gave Aisha 3 simple follow-up expressions. "How about you? What happened next?" "That sounds interesting. Tell me more." Next morning, Aisha entered the pantry and saw Kabir. He asked, "Was your journey to work okay?" "A little slow because of the rain, but I found a shortcut. How was yours?" Kabir looked pleasantly surprised and began telling her about his bus. It stopped in traffic, and everyone had to get out. Aisha listened, then asked, "What happened next?" Kabir laughed and continued the story all the way to their desks. At lunch, Sana mentioned a photography walk she had joined. Aisha said, "That sounds interesting. Tell me more." By the end of lunch, Aisha was no longer watching from outside. She realized conversation did not require impressive English, only genuine interest. A small detail gave the other person something to hold. Now your turn. Answer, "What did you do last weekend?" Answer directly. Add one detail, then ask a related question. Say your 3-part reply aloud. Comment below and subscribe to English Fix Daily.